So just a month ago, we were in Hong Kong and meron ako mga biniling pasalubong. So let's check these out. So first up, can we appreciate the eco bag? It's so cute, it's so big, ang dami niyang mailalagay. Tapos, ang ganda nung print, very Hong Kong inspired. So inside is this Hong Kong pouch, super cute. Tapos syempre, merong I Love Hong Kong keychain. Meron ding Hong Kong bag tag na napakaganda ng quality. And this very colorful ref magnet. Tapos, bumili rin ako ng snacks. And last but not the least, this is an afterthought because nag-Pop Mart nga kami sa Hong Kong. Tapos, meron silang binigay na freebie. Since I don't think magagamit namin to ni Paul, idagdag na lang natin. Look, it's a straw, a crybaby straw. And as you can see, it's an official Pop Mart merch. Hindi pa namin to nabubuksan ever. So, para kanino ba itong mga pasalubong na to? Para sa'yo. Because I will be giving all of these away to a lucky commenter on my YouTube channel. And wala kayong ibang gagawin kung hindi panoorin lang itong video na to on my YouTube channel kasi nandyan yung mechanics. All you have to do is watch that video, follow the mechanics, comment on that video, and you are eligible to win all of these, including the bag. So wala kayong ibang gagawin, you just have to go to my YouTube channel and watch my latest video. Tapos i-comment na doon yung sagot nyo on March 21, Friday, I will choose a winner. So, good luck everybody!